like copy this that entire face area. Now we have a strip of the frame. Now we're just gonna get rid of the inside wall. There we go. Now we only have the outer ring area. Go to origin to geometry. Let's turn off the subdivision. Go to cursor to selected. Now we're just gonna okay. Let's turn off the mirror modifier. Let's get the subdivision. Let's stretch it outside like that. In this G axis and move it over to the X axis just tiny bit. No, that's not gonna work at all. Okay, so let's GZ this inside. There we go. Now we are just gonna deselect those. Just gonna push it inside. There, okay. Let's get all of those up to there. G exit, GUI. Cursor to the wall origin, then origin to 3D cursor. Perfect.